welcome to my channel. Now you can go right onto the tutorial. You've got the link below, skip all this bit, or you can find out why I made this video. I just had to bring you this video because I thought to myself, there must be other people like me that have been battling with mold and limescale in the bathroom, and this solution is a godsend. When I say battling, I'm not joking. I went to my bathroom and I looked at the number of products I have for descaling. I found mold spray, I've got a toilet renovator and descaler, professional level, I've got some essentials limescale remover, I've got professional limescale remover, and I've even got grout stain remover, cement limescale grout residue remover for interior and exterior use. That is how much I have been struggling to find something that works. The worst part about using those chemicals was that they are, for the most part, pretty toxic. I mean, I almost burnt my lungs out using these products, not to mention the aches and pains that come from trying to scrub. And it was just not sustainable. Now, I always knew that with natural ingredients you can get rid of limescales, but could I get them to stick on the wall? And I really needed to find a way to scrub the tiles without killing myself in the process. This is a lifesaver. Keep watching.